In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook Marketplace post shareable and how you can get your friends to share it. So the best thing that you can do is you can go ahead and post your Marketplace post and then share it yourself so your friends can easily find it on your profile. So what you want to do is you want to go to Marketplace, and you can do this on phone or computer. Then once you're on Marketplace, go to selling, and if you've already posted your listing, you'll be able to then share it easily. Now, if you haven't, go ahead and click on create a new listing and go through this whole process of creating a listing. Now, I have a TV for sale and obviously I've already posted this listing. Now, the best way that you can share it and get your friends to share it is by going to share, and then you can either share your listing or you can share it on a friend's profile or share it to a group. So if you share your listing, it's going to then share to your profile. So we'll click share. Then if we go to our profile and we scroll down, you can see we've now got this listing shared on our feed. That's going to share it with all of our friends. Now, if we want our friends to share it, we just need to say, go onto my profile, my listing's there, could you just go ahead and click the share button for me? And a lot of them will do that, and it will then share your listing with their friends as well.